Hello there. Today we're going to learn how to manage conditional logic fields in forms on your Joomla site. Conditional logic, it's a great tool allowing you to show specific fields, depending on previous selections. Take a look. By selecting phone from the drop-down list, the form will display the phone field, and if we select an email address, the email field will be displayed. This is a very simple and basic example, but this is exactly what we need to understand the basics of conditional logic in forms. Go to the form editor. I have already created a simple form with 3 fields. The logic will be the same as in the example. If the user selects the phone value from the drop-down, we will display the phone field. If the user selects the email value, we will display the email field. Go to the conditional logic editor. From the sidebar, click Conditional Logic. To implement the conditions as in the example, we need to create 2 rules. I highly recommend always entering a rule title. This can help if you plan to create large forms with a huge number of conditional logic rules. I will enter display phone. Okay, let's set a rule. If the field contact info equal to phone show field phone. The first rule is ready. You can close the conditional logic editor and you will see that our phone field has become semi-transparent and has an icon informing you that this field is used in conditional logic rules. Now let's go back to the conditional logic editor and finish with the second rule. Click on the button, add new rule, enter name, show email, and set almost the same as in the first rule. If the field contact info equal to email show field email. Ready. Now let's save the form and check the results. Let's select phone. And phone field is displayed. Now let's select email, and email field is displayed. This was the most basic example to understand the basic principles of conditional logic in forms. Depending on the field type, in conditional logic additional rules can be displayed. For example, let's add standard text input. Move to conditional logic editor. Create a new rule. And in the first field select text input. In the second one you will find a wide range of available rules that can be used. Also in actions you can set not only show or hide field, but also move to page. It's going to be great action for multi-page forms. As you can see, everything is quite simple. See you in the next videos.